Hello adventurers! Recently, the dice have not rolled in my favor, so I decided to build them a little dice tower for extra motivation. It's a really simple design, and it all starts with a large sheet of cardboard. And you chop it all down to smaller pieces. In the end, you have a stack like this: front and the back, two sides, a ledge for the top, and a couple ramps for the inside. And the next thing is to just glue it all together. You can use PVA glue, you can use wood glue, as long as one piece sticks to the other. And don't forget to let the glue dry. Now that your sides are in place, it's time to put on the ramps. I did this pretty much by eye. Just make sure that there's enough clearance for your dice to go through. Once it is set, it's time to close it up. To make sure there's no gaps, I put weights on the top, but you could also use some clamps. So there you have it, a super simple dice tower for anybody to gain advantage on their next roll. If you enjoyed this video, share it with a player who doesn't have the luck of a halfling. And hit the like button to remove curse.